So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance. So keep dancing.
Hi, boys and girls. Congratulations to all of our March Splash winners. I'm so proud of you for all of your hard work. Know that I miss everybody so much, and I hope to see you all soon. Keep smiling, keep working hard, and keep that positive attitude.
Hi, SOUTHDOWN. It's Mrs. Windsor. I'm proud to announce that Catherine Garcia Fuentes from my class is my March Splash winner. Way to go, Catherine. I'm so proud of you.
Hi. Our kindergarten dual language splash winner for March is Skylar Nunez. Congratulations.
Hi, SOUTHDOWN. Mrs. Duffy here to announce the March kindergarten splash winner for our class is Darius Clark. Congratulations, Darius.
Hi, everybody. It's Mrs. W. I'm happy to announce that our March Splash winner is Jasenia Gutierrez Sanchez. Congratulations, Jasenia.
Hi, everyone. It's Mrs. DePetris here. On behalf of myself and Mrs. Simcoe, our kindergarten March Splash winner is Jaceline Panameno. Great job, Jaceline. And congratulations to all of our winners.
Hi, it's Mrs. Harto from first grade. Miss Velez and I would like to announce that Tatum Lyon is our March Splash winner. Great job, Tatum.
Hi, SOUTHDOWN. This is Mrs. Rheinisch, first grade teacher, and I am pleased to announce that our class splash winner for the month of March is Henry Jesse. I am so proud of everyone and all the hard work you are doing. Big round of applause. Congratulations.
Hi, everybody. Our first grade dual language March Splash winner is Denise Villalba. Congratulations, Denise.
Hi, guys. It's Mrs. Linewand. I'm so excited to be able to announce my March Splash for first grade. It's Amira Ingram. Good job, Amira. I'm so proud of you. You worked really, really hard for this. Miss you. Bye.
Hi, everyone. This is Mrs. Ortega, second grade dual language teacher. The splash winner for the month of March is Angela Mayorga. Congratulations, Angela. Felicidades. Adios.
Hi, SOUTHDOWN. Ms. Murray here, and I'm here to announce our March Splash winner, who is Kerry Umanzar Benitez. I'm so proud of you, Kerry. Keep up the great work. I'm so proud of everyone, and I hope to see you guys all soon. Bye, SOUTHDOWN.
Hi, everyone. Congratulations to our second grade splash winner for Mrs. Cornane's class, Jocelyn Valencia. Great job, Jocelyn, and great job to all of our hardworking SOUTHDOWN kiddos. Hope to see you soon. Big hugs. Keep up the great work. Bye.
Hey, SOUTHDOWN. It's Mrs. Schwarting here to announce the March Splash winner for our class goes to Abigail Byers. Great job, Abby. So proud of you. Keep up all the wonderful work. See you guys soon.
Hi, everyone. It's Miss Ventura, third grade dual language teacher. The splash winner for the month of March is Ryan Kelly. Congratulations to you.
Hi, SOUTHDOWN. It's Mrs. Kenny from third grade. I'm here to announce the March Splash winner, who is Charlie Mindreski. Congratulations, Charlie.
See you again when I see you again.